my WIX account, and when I first log in I see this window where I can manage my site, and I see apps here in the middle. I'm not sure if you have apps in the middle of your site or not. If you do and you see one that says get found on Google, this is the SEO Whiz at WIX, and I believe it's free. And if we walk through this process, I'll show you how to use it. So we're just going to click on that. Welcome to your SEO plan. So you can check here and see if your site is mobile friendly or not. And if there are things that your site needs to do, you'll have check marks or you'll have things to do. So it says update your homepage's SEO title. That's the first thing I need to do. You may also need to set your site to be visible in search engines and make sure your site is mobile friendly. If you've gotten those steps completed, we'll try that. And if you need help or have any questions, there are videos over on the right hand side that walk you through choosing keywords, getting started using this plan, and getting your site on Google. I believe this is all free. If we get to a point in it where we find out differently, do not pay for this, because this is all stuff you can do manually, page by page. But this may just automate the process for us a little bit, and that's what we hope. So let's see, we've got to update our SEO title, and if we go down here and go to editor, it's going to load the editor. And slowly but surely this will update. And I'm going to look at my tools over here on the left. I'm going to look at my information at the top. And then the tools over here on the right. So I'm going to look up here, and I'm going to go to the Pages menu, and if I click here on the More button, the little dot dot dot, I can go down to the Page SEO. That's what I want. So what's the page title on search engines? It's here, and so I can go to page info. What's the page's name on your menu? It's called portfolio. Hide from menu, we can turn that on and off. We can leave it on. Okay, so if that's my home page, I probably want a better name for my page. So I might want it to actually be my name or my business name. Whatever you think people are going to search for, that's going to be what you want to give the title of your site. Beth Level Illustrations. That's a good site. Okay, so now I'm going to hit done. And if I go back here, I can go to page info. What's this page's name on your menu? Let's just call it Illustrations, or just let's go to Layout, Standard, Permissions, SEO. What is the page about? I can put a page description in here, and this is going to be the description that Google shows up underneath the search when they search for you. So this would be a good place to describe your business. So I'm going to say you could give your location, what you do, and if you have specific services. And any information. So you can see down here it shows up as a preview what it's going to say when they're searching for you. And when you're done, you can just click done with that. And if you want to go back and see if there are more things you can do, what is the page URL? You can change that here too. What are the page's keywords? So I could do illustration, night sky. So if you had a bakery or something, you would put like all the items that you baked here would be possible keywords. You probably want about 5 keywords per page, but you should have them listed here, and they should be pretty clear and as specific as possible so that people find you higher in the search results. So we're going to hit done. And you can do that for each and every single page. I'm going to go back to this page though, however, because I'd like to click a picture and edit the picture as well. So if I've clicked my picture and I want to add an alt text for that, the alt text is kind of generic here. I think it should be moon description. So you want it to be as specific as possible. So if you're describing a service or something for your business, you'll put that in the description as well. The title is going to be the alt text, so when someone mouses over the picture, or if they don't have the text, the picture loaded, text will show up. It'll also help if it is related to keywords to your search. So I might say moon illustration if I'm wanting people to find me as an illustrator. I'll keep using the word illustration in my alt text because that will make it clear that that's indeed what it is rather than a photo. But if you're a photographer, you would do the opposite. So as much as possible for every image that you're working with, you will want to use alt text. That is going to improve your search engine results. And at any time, you can go back to the pages menu and edit the SEO on any of these individual pages. And the page SEO can be different than the entire site SEO if you want to. If we go back, we can change more information here, and the SEO whiz will kind of just walk you through what else it thinks you need to do on the site. So if I click under settings, I can give the business site name, the location. I can add keywords here under SEO whiz. So I've got SEO whiz home, which is a checklist which is running through my site. Settings, which I can change and add keywords, and allow Google to include your site in search results. Yes, we want that. And the SEO guide, if I click that button, is going to bring me a bunch of pages and videos if I want to learn about keyword searching or planning my SEO sites. So Wix has everything kind of in one handy stop, but you do still have to go back and edit your pages.